What's up, everybody? Smarty in the building, or should I say outside. This video is just to show you how simple it is and where to place your new holographic source fuel chip. That's it. Open up your door and you put it right there. It's no longer magnetic, so you don't have to worry about your cap here being plastic or not. You put it here. Every time you put gas in your car, it's constantly being charged. Okay, that's it. Now you go back here and you can see that the car will start and continue to start steaming for the rest of your car's life. See that? Steamed up my phone. Holotech in the building. That's it. That's simple. That's simple. It saves you money on fuel, boosts your car's performance, and if you're like me and you got a nice clean vehicle, you want to keep it that way. Do you understand? That's it. It also keeps your engine clean because the fuel is now burning at 100%. As long as your fuel's burning at 100%, you don't have built up shit in your engine. That's it. Do you understand? Simple as that. Get them while they're hot. They're on sale right now. There you have it.